Hey folks, in this video I will guide you through how to record desktop audio and mic voice separately in Nvidia overlay. So first of all, go to your Nvidia control panel and check if the Nvidia overlay is on. So now you can see here I turned this option on. If you don't turn on it, make sure to turn on it, otherwise you can't access it. So the shortcut key for opening the overlay is Alt plus Z. So in your keyboard, press Alt key plus Z to access the overlay. So I'm going to press Alt plus Z. So now you can see Nvidia overlay open. So in here, you have to go to the settings and go to audio. And here you have to set audio tracks format to separate tracks. So after that, let's see how it looks like. So I'm going to close this overlay and go to Premiere Pro. So now I am in Premiere Pro software. So now if I import the video I recorded previously and create a sequence with it. Now you can see here we have two separate audio tracks. Which means this one is the mic recording and this one is the desktop recording. So if you find this video is helpful, make sure to subscribe and like the video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will get back to you. See you in the next video.